My name's Anthony Allen, and I'm going to show you how to Xbox Game Share. Let's go. So the first thing you need to do is log in to your Xbox account, your main Xbox account where you have all of the games that you want to share. For me, it's my main account right here. I have a passcode. I'm going to enter that right now. Nice and easy, just getting into my account. And once it's recognized my passcode that I have, and that is by choice, I can then get to the dashboard. So from the dashboard, once you're on the inside, you press the Xbox home button on your controller. From here, you want to go all the way to the right hand side till you get to this page, Profile and System. Scroll down until you can select Settings, or tap down until you select Settings. Here's where you're going to make all of the games on your Xbox account available to anybody who signs in to their account on Xbox. I'll say that again so it makes a lot of sense. This account's games is going to be available to everybody else who plays on the Xbox with their profile. So to keep things nice and simple, you have all of these menus that you can access, and you can see me moving right now. You want to be on General, which is right at the very top, and then move over to Personalization, and under Personalization, right here, you want to go to My Home Xbox. Select this. This is where you can change which profile is your main profile. And it says, when this is your home Xbox, people can play your downloaded games without you signing in. Plus, if you have Xbox Game Pass, your whole household gets to enjoy it on this Xbox console. We recommend setting this on the console you use the most. You can have one home Xbox at a time and can switch up to 5 times per year. So I already have my current profile, my main profile, as my home Xbox profile. So any other profiles that log in without me logging in can use my subscriptions and play my games. And that is how you can game share on Xbox today. Don't forget to give this a big thumbs up. And of course, subscribe for more Xbox tutorials. There's more that I've taught you that you can find. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.